Right, being the good man that I am, I've give Jim his knob back. Have I fuck? It's fucking here! This little shit ain't getting it back yet. Let's make him fucking stubborn. And we're coming out to a set of traffic lights in a minute. Now he is gonna have to pull away, touching hold of that pointy little stick. Now I still don't think he'll be chatting about the gear knob. Now we're gonna make a corner up here. Let's just watch Jim. He's good. Changing down gears. He's changing down gears. Oh, he's not doing too shabby actually. He ain't doing too shabby at all. Still driving a Fiesta with no knob though. I mean, who would think it? Jim with no knob? Never a fool that. I'm gonna put money on that shit. But still, he carries on regardless. Now, I'm gonna end this one here. I'm coming up to a roundabout, so no doubt you'll see me in a minute. Ta-da!